Hey guys, okay, so between my two girls in the back seat, we got 3 dance classes today. Well, 1 ballet and 2 dance, and I managed to sleep through the first 2 classes today. But I'm gonna make the 3rd one right now. I want to make the kids and the wife happy, so I'm making the 3rd class. But actually, we're in the Sequoia. I'm gonna sneak off real quick and show you guys the 33s I put on this thing. I've been wanting to find time to do that. We got the wife driving today. What do you think about the 33s?
I love them.
And
the Sequoia needed it, for sure.
It totally needed it. Maddie?
We'll get you water at home,
all right, Maddie, I will definitely get you water, I promise you. Water coming soon. Hey, what do you guys think? Did you guys notice that we got new tires in the Sequoia?
Yeah.
How did you know that?
Because Daddy told us.
Oh, you didn't
Yeah,
notice
Dad
because
told us.
you didn't notice because it looks so good?
I noticed too.
Oh, okay, you noticed.
Me too.
Okay, good. Anyways, okay, so 33s, you think they look better? How do they drive? Any change in the way they drive?
No, the only big difference is that there's a little bit of rub when I pull into parking lots.
And does it bother you?
No.
Okay, it's well worth the look. And what about gas mileage? Any change at the pump?
Nothing significant. It's still bad. It was just bad before. It's bad now.
What do you think the mileage is right now?
About 13.
About 13.
Yeah.
That's no good. What do you guys think about that? Is 13? Is that going to be a deal breaker for your daily driver? Let us know about that one. But anyways, no, we love the Sequoia. I think it's safe, big, fun vehicle to drive. Anyways, okay, we're gonna be at a dance in a minute. I'm gonna sneak off, show you guys the tires. Yeah, sounds good. What kind of a tire reveal video starts out with such a dirty wheel? I'm sorry guys, I should have washed these things up first, but it's just been raining a ton lately, and it's my wife's car. Anyways, here it is, 285 7017 BFG KO2. I keep calling it a 33, but it's actually like a 32.9. But either way, that's a beefy tire. Absolutely fills out the wheel wells, and it just looks great on this thing. So, as you guys remember, I just bought some 265s for it just a couple months ago, and then had it lifted. And I knew the tires looked too small, but it's my wife's car. I just bought those tires. I was not into jumping up to the 33. But I could only hold out so long. The other day I just picked up my phone, called, ordered them up, and I'm so happy I did. I really want to do exhaust on this thing like the Tundra, a couple slash cut, powder coated black tips coming out right there. Definitely not with a Flowmaster Super 10 though. We'll find something a little bit more family friendly. I just smoked these reflectors the other day. I had about an hour spare time, so I just took them off real quick, smoked them, and I think the black exhaust slash cut will look really good next to that. So what do you guys think though? I think it looks really good with these things. If it was mine, I would have been tempted to get the KO2 or the BFG mud terrains, but this thing actually hauls the family around a ton, and I don't think my wife wants to sit on the freeway with mud terrain tires. Oh no, we got condensation in the fog lights. No, ever since I put these fog lights in, I've had some issues with this, so I took some O-rings off some old headlight bulbs and put them on the base of the fog light bulbs, and I thought that solved the problem. Both of them. All right, well, I'll have to address that. Anyways, I really wanted to go find like a dirt road or somewhere really nice to go film a tire reveal on this thing, but I only have like 45 minutes until I got to get back to that class, so I just drove up. This is right up the street from that dance class, and this is in Capitola, which is right outside Santa Cruz. And this is actually someone's yard right here. These are some really nice houses right here. Really nice street. And we actually live right over there, up that hill a tiny bit. But anyways, so here it is. The Sequoia on 33s. Went with the BFG KO2s, couldn't be happier. My wife said they rub a little bit. Tiny hit in gas mileage, who even cares? But that's that. So those are the tires. I think they look great. Just great. Anyways, thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Let me know what I should do to this thing next. Thanks you guys. Have a good day.